हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम लेने वाले हैं 100 वर्ड पर मिनट इंग्लिश लीगल डिक्टेशन। बी रेडी फॉर इट। 10 सेकेंड, 5 सेकेंड, start. Paragraph. The revenue is an appeal against an order of the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal under Section 260A of the Income Tax Act 1961. The assessment year to which the appeal relates is assessment year 2009-10. The tribunal has allowed the appeal filed by the assessee on the ground that the basis for issuing a notice under section 148 for reopening the assessment has not been fulfilled, since the assessing officer must have reason to believe that income has escaped assessment. Paragraph. The following questions of law has been formulated by the revenue. Paragraph. Whether on the facts and in the circumstances of the case, the Honorable Tribunal was justified in questioning the reopening of assessment by ignoring the fact that the assessing officer had sufficient reasons for reopening the case and accordingly assessing the long-term capital gains at rupees 72 lakh against the returned long-term capital gains of rupees 1,72,000. Paragraph. Whether on the facts and in the circumstances of the case, the Honorable Tribunal was justified in law in not appreciating the fact that the assessment officer had valid reasons to believe that there is accepting the income by the assessee, who while his return of income had shown highly inflated cost of construction and improvement. Paragraph. Whether on the facts and in the circumstances of the case, the Honorable Tribunal was justified in not accepting the fact that the value of property decided by Civil Judge Kanpur at rupees 1 lakh as per the court decree was rightly adopted by the assessing officer. Paragraph. Whether on the facts and in the circumstances of the case, the Honorable Tribunal was justified in not appreciating the fact that the assessee during the course of assessment proceedings failed to produce evidence regarding cost of construction and improvement is claimed by him in his return income. Paragraph. The notice of reopening under section 148 was issued on the ground that the assessee had sold certain immovable property for rupees 31 lakhs, whereas the value of property for the purpose of stamp duty was rupees 82 lakhs, resulting in an apparent difference of rupees 51 lakhs. It was on this basis that the assessing officer sought to reopen the assessment by issuing a notice under section 148. The tribunal has observed that before the assessing officer can reopen an assessment under section 148, there must be a reason to believe that income has escaped assessment. As a matter of fact, in the present case, the finding of the tribunal is that though the sale consideration was rupees 31 lakhs, the value for stamp duty purpose as per the circle rate applicable was rupees 82 lakhs. In the computation of income while computing the capital gains, the assessee had taken into account the higher value of rupees 82 lakhs. This factual finding of the tribunal has not been disputed by the revenue. Under section 147, the assessing officer before proceeding to reopen an assessment must have reason to believe that there is an acceptment of income from assessment.